Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Journey with Kitania. Welcome to Kitania's Kitchen. Today we will be preparing Escovitch fish. So here we have some lovely slices of red brim fish and we will be frying them and adding our Escovitch sauce. They are very fleshy and when you season them properly, they taste really good. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the box below where you are watching from so I can send a special shout out to you. If you are joining for the first time, I welcome you. My returning viewers, you are special. I thank you. So, we won't be measuring our seasoning today. We're going to be shaking until you hear a voice saying, shake no more. Well, just kidding. But we're just going to be adding some seasoning to our fish. So here we have our all-purpose seasoning. And we have some garlic badia. It's powdered. We also will be adding some black pepper. And all these ingredients, you can get them at a local vendor. We also will be using some Maggie fish seasoning. And just a little bit of salt. We can now go ahead and combine our ingredients. Now we can leave this to marinate for 45 minutes. And then we are going to go ahead and fry. Let me just add a little bit more. All-purpose seasoning and we are set. We're just gonna leave this to marinate now. While our fish is marinating, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare our Escovitch sauce. Yes, so these are the vegetables that I am using, but today I won't be sharing that aspect of the video. I'm gonna do another video with just Escovitch sauce, so you will learn step by step on how to prepare Escovitch sauce. So I have added some cooking oil to the skillet, and now I'm going to be adding some garlic, piece of ginger, and the trash from the onion. When I use them, be using them to season my oil. So we will be turning them from side to side until they are golden brown and they are completely fried inside out. The fish is almost finished frying. They are looking really nice. Our fish is finished frying, so now we can remove them from the frying oil. Your fish should be crispy and fried dry, not overly done. You want them to be crispy so that when you add your sauce, they don't become saggy and too soft. So keep them crispy and nice. In this same pot, we are going to be preparing our Escovitch sauce. In addition to these vegetables, we will be adding vinegar, some sugar, salt, and water, and cook to taste. So here our Escovitch sauce is ready. And we will be adding it to our fried fish. Wow, this looks so lovely and it smells even better. And we're about to find out if it tastes as good as it looks. But it's not ideal to taste after just adding the sauce, so you can leave the sauce to set in with the fish for like say 15 to 30 minutes, and then you can go ahead and taste. But we're just gonna sample this. It tastes really good. Escovitch fish, and the sauce has the right amount of pepper. It is not too spicy, so it's very flavorful. So I'll be sharing my video as it relates to how to prepare in this sauce. And yeah, so here we have our Escovitch fish. You are watching Journey with Kitania. On this channel we talk about food, travel, and personal development. And today you were in Kitania's kitchen. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.